AMAG Technology has been manufacturing its own Symmetry security management products since 1971, setting us apart from our competition by putting us in complete control of our own production. Having this control allows us to keep up with customer demand and eliminates dependence on a third party. We are proud to state that our manufacturing facility produces over 500 different products with an annual volume of approximately 250,000 units. In our facility, we produce approximately 80 different AMAG-designed printed circuit boards that go into more than 500 part numbers that we sell to commercial businesses, energy companies, data centers, healthcare organizations, education facilities, financial institutions, and more. We are proud to report that our current first-time pass rate is over 98%, and we only have a less than 0.1% warranty return rate. In addition to manufacturing circuit boards such as the Symmetry M2150, M4000, and SR series, the manufacturing team also builds out the cabinets that house the boards and produces the majority of card readers sold by AMAG Technology. We also generate the access cards that operate with our Symmetry access control software. For more information about AMAG Technology or the Symmetry Security Management System, please visit www.amag.com.